Don't know how to roll over your prepaid meter to the new Tid system in South Africa? Don't worry, you can easily reprogram your prepaid electricity meter yourself in just 5 simple steps. In this video, we will guide you through the entire process and help you migrate to the new system. Just follow our step-by-step guide to reprogram your prepaid electricity meter. 5 keywords: Tid Rollover, meter reprogramming, prepaid electricity, step-by-step guide, DIY Tid Rollover. Introduction. Welcome to our video on how to reprogram your prepaid electricity meter to Tid Rollover in 5 simple steps. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to reprogram your prepaid electricity meter and take control of your energy usage. Let's get started. 5 simple steps. Step 1. Buy a new electricity token. The first step is to buy a new electricity token. Once you've received the new token, you will notice there are 3 token codes instead of 1. These codes are described as key change tokens and credit tokens. Step 2. Check your prepaid electricity meter credit. The second step is to check your prepaid electricity meter credit and take a screenshot of the current units in your meter. Step 3. Enter the first token. The third step is to begin entering the tokens. Start with key change token 1, enter the 20-digit code into your meter. You will see a confirmation on your display, meaning that your token was accepted. Step 4. Enter the second token. Now you are ready to enter your second token, that is key change token 2, enter the 20-digit code into your meter and wait for second confirmation. Step 5. Enter the third token. You have reached the 5th and final step. It's time to enter the third token, which is the credit token with the electricity units you have purchased. Enter the 20-digit code as you normally do when you buy electricity for your meter. Once entered, wait for a little while, approximately 1 minute, for the meter to accept your token. Now check the meter display to ensure that the new units have been added to your old credit balance of units. That's it. All done. Congratulations, you successfully reprogrammed your prepaid electricity meter. Conclusion/outro. Thank you for watching our video on how to reprogram your prepaid electricity meter. By following our simple 5-step guide, you can take control of your meter once again. For more tips and tricks on how to save energy and reduce your carbon footprint, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.